Hey Dominic, how you doing? Devin Gray here with the Principal Marketing Firm. I just wanted to go over three things you guys could do today to get you more leads and more clients, more clicks per month. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page, which obviously you guys have great content here. As we go down, we see you guys have a lot of good stuff in here. So what's also important as this content is keywords. So as we dive into this website I like to use called Ahrefs, we see you guys are using 265 organic keywords. Keywords are what people are going to type in on Google when for example, car accident lawyers in Reno. We see that gets 90 clicks per month. Um, these keywords are what people are going to type in to find your guys' website. So we hop back over here. We can see what organic keywords you guys are using and how many clicks per month it's getting and where you guys rank. So Reno car accident, you guys are ranked 12th at this, and it's getting about 400 clicks per month. This volume is important because obviously it's sending more clients to you, more traffic through your page, which equals more business for you guys. As I hop over here to one of your competitors, Joey Gilbert Law, they have 1.4K organic keywords. So we see they have high volume keywords over here. They're ranked pretty high in a couple of these high volume key areas. So basically the goal is to be as high as possible in all these organic listings, these high volume keywords. You want to be ranked as high as possible, but in your area, as you see, these guys are. This is a nationwide keyword. You don't want to. That's not going to get you any business because somebody from Georgia is clicking on this keyword, they're not going to be able to get you all the way in Reno. So the next thing I want to go over is citations. So citations is this map pack area as you see right here. This is your business name, address, and phone number as appeared on Google, just how it looks right here. And that's put in your citation. So I like to use whitespark.ca to list this. As we see, you guys are very good in this category. You have 57 citations. Looking at some of your competitors, you might wonder, hey, we have more citations than these guys. Why are we not on this map pad right here? So not all citations are created equal. So you want to have relevant and meaningful citations. You don't want to have citations from a Pizza Hut site. So you want to have citations that's pointing back to your website that has a lot of power behind it. So what we do is we can come in here, we can see what citations these guys have, what powerful citations these guys have, and we can go in and we can take these citations, apply them to yours, go out and get better ones. And same with as it goes for your citations is important for this map pack. Organic listing is also important. So these guys might be ahead of you because they might have more organic leads than you guys, which is also going to boost them up here on this map pack. So the last thing I want to go over is backlinks. So again, backlinks, I want to hop into Ahrefs right here. I want to go to this overview. Backlinks is is the battery behind your website. It's what's driving it. It's what's boosting it. It's what's telling Google that your website is the most relevant, that people need to go out and see your website. So as we hop in here, we can see that you guys have 1.3K backlinks. We hop over here to your competitor. You see they have 9.32 backlinks. So it's same thing as the citations. We can hop in here. We can see what backlinks you guys are using. Let's hop over here. We can see what backlinks your competitors are using. Like citations, not all backlinks are created equal. So we want to go out, take the relevant backlinks. We don't want to scroll down here to the bottom and take one of these weaker backlinks. We want to take one of these high power backlinks and go out there and get that for your site, and then obviously go out there and get better ones because we want to beat them. We want to outdo them. So again, the three things I went over today was content, keywords, citations, and then backlinks. So if you guys want to go out and apply this to yourself, I completely understand. But if you was interested from what I had to say and want to reach out to me, you can please email me. You can call me. My phone number is 775-402-2885. And I'll be looking forward from hearing from you guys. Thank you.